many trophies. He won the Barclays World Tour Finals in 2011. Proud member of his country's winning Bears in 2006. Pleasure. Please welcome the number 4 seed and the defending champion, Bobby Denkin. To the left of our chair umpire, this young man finished 2008 and 2009 as the #1 player in the world and owns 43 career singles titles on the ATP World Tour. Amongst those titles includes a record 18 ATP Masters 1000 trophies and 9 Grand Slam tournaments. With his win at last year's U.S. Open, he became the 7th player to win all 4 Grand Slams in his career and the youngest to do so in the Open era. He was also the first player to win 3 Grand Slams in a row in the same year since Rod Laver won all 4 in 1969. Ladies and gentlemen, from Spain, please welcome Olympic gold medalist